Good morning, St. Mary's. I'm Jaden.
And I'm Leo.
And it's an R5 schedule with 5th period after break and then 3rd and 4th after lunch.
And with the first long-range forecast for graduation day now up on Apple Weather, any predictions for next Thursday?
Gert, what's the weather today?
Yo, it's going to be up to 73 today. It's 60 right now, and it's going to be up to 75 tomorrow. Now back to Leo and Jaden.
And in student life news, attention all students. Friday will be our last professional dress day. Please note that you will be in professional dress all day. However, ties can come off after lunch. Thank you.
In many ways, today is all about the outstanding senior projects from 2 weeks ago. We head over to our first and only spotlight that will definitely spark your interest.
Good morning, I'm Carly, and I'm here with
Michael.
And Michael, what did you do for your senior project?
I learned how to weld.
All right, very cool. And we will now see a video of Michael welding.
So here I am, I'm doing some stick welding. I am joining two pieces of metal together along a seam, and it was for my dad. Here I am, I'm lighting up a oxyacetylene cutting torch, and I'm making sure the oxyacetylene and the oxygen are mixed together in the right proportions. And then I'm going to be cutting a pipe, which is what that is. And then here's oxyacetylene welding with the flame. Yep.
All right, and what made you choose this project?
Well, welding was something I wanted to learn as a skill anyway, and it seemed like an achievable goal I could do.
Okay.
Yep.
And what are some takeaways or things that you learned from this project?
Well, I learned I probably don't want to pursue welding professionally because I don't enjoy it that much, but I also learned that it pays really well, and I can do it now as a skill.
Okay, very nice. And do you have any advice for future senior project people?
I do. To our rising seniors, you don't need to know what your project is now, but have a few different ideas and think about them over the summer and do a little bit of preliminary research. And then when fall comes around, you can choose one of those ideas you already have and you'll be set to go.
Okay, very helpful. Thank you.
Thank you.
And attention all students that are interested in running for class council next year. Candidate statements are due to Ms. Chua at smpanthers.org no later than 3:30 p.m. tomorrow. If you have any questions, you know where to find her.
And join us tomorrow night for the final music concert of the year. You will hear performances from beginning band, modern band, jazz band, and chorus. The music featured will span from the music of the early 2000s to the music of today. You'll hear music from artists like Quincy Jones, Green Day, Tyler the Creator, and many more. Remember, it's free and we hope to see you there.
And if you're craving barbecue club magic, come to the Cross this Wednesday for tacos and other barbecue club favorites. Can't wait to see you there. With love, the Barbecue Club.
And now here's Ahmad with your Panther Athletics.
The St. Mary's boys golf team traveled to Fairfield for the D1 golf tournament. The Panthers were led by senior Oliver Rohde and sophomore Ronan Gardner. Also representing St. Mary's were seniors Luke Bradley, Peter Podesta, Luca Yasa, and freshman Aurel Masalea. Congratulations on a great season and making it to the championship round. That's it for sports. Now back to Leo and Jaden.
Thanks, Ahmad.
And a very happy birthday today to
Mason.
and Emery.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to you.
Today's lunch is a flavor fiesta. Dive into sweet and sour chicken or tofu with spring rolls, savor a bold burrito bowl, or crunch into a spinach Brussels bacon salad, topped with toasted seeds, crisp chips, and zesty pico. It's global goodness all around.
Finally, seniors, your feedback plays a pivotal role in strengthening student academic support. We are asking you to please share feedback for your college counselors. At this time, please check your email for a link to complete a brief feedback form. Remember to ensure your feedback is constructive and respectful.
That's it for today.
Have a great day, St. Mary's.